Last session, we had a tour of the Nile River. Ahmed taught us a lot of information. The Nile River provides valuable drinking water to people living in the otherwise dry region. The river also allowed for moving the stone used to build the pyramids. The Nile River also helped the farmers to be able to grow food because of the use of irrigation. In today's lesson, we will learn about Huang River, also known as the Yellow River. Open your World River Student Reader to page 6. We will continue reading where we left off. Another river that brings water to farmers' fields is what the Chinese call Huang, the Yellow River. This river is in China on the continent of Asia, and its name comes from the yellow color of its water. That color comes from the tons of silt in the river. Silt means tiny pieces of soil or earth carried by the water in a river. Now imagine you are traveling on this river. You see a young girl helping her father in a rice field near the Yellow River. You stop to ask the girl what she is doing. "Why are you standing in this ditch?" you ask. "I'm clearing out the weeds and twigs so the water can get through," she answers. "Why do you have to do this?" you ask. "We clean out the ditches used for irrigation so the water from the Yellow River can flow through them." The word flow in this context means to move. Water moves downstream in a river. "The water brings life to our rice field," she answers. "If we don't put water on our rice plants in exactly the right way," she continues, "the rice won't grow. If the rice doesn't grow, my family won't have rice to sell. We will lose money. Then I may not be able to get a new bicycle. That's what I'm saving my money for." You smile at the girl. As you set off again down the river, you offer words of encouragement. "I hope the rice grows and you get that bicycle." How did the Yellow River get its name? The Huang, or Yellow River, gets its name from the color of its water. What does the story of the young girl tell you about the role of the Yellow River in the lives of people living along its banks? The river is important for many reasons. It is used for irrigation so that rice plants grow. Many people, like this young girl's family, sell rice to make money and make a living. Last session, you have an activity on reading the world map. Let's practice reading this map. On this map, there is a compass rose that shows each cardinal direction, north, south, east, and west, relative to the map. Look on the bottom left, this is a map scale. It shows that 1 inch is equal to 2,000 miles. Therefore, you can use a ruler to determine how far is between places on a scale. The equator is the imaginary dotted line that is in the middle of the map shown. It marks the boundary between the northern and southern hemispheres. Panama is a part of North America. It is also an isthmus, or a small piece of land with water on both sides that connects two larger pieces of land. The Isthmus of Panama separates the Pacific Ocean in the west from the Atlantic Ocean in the east. A canal, or a man-made waterway used for travel, crosses the Isthmus of Panama and connects the two oceans. It is called the Panama Canal. Look at the top right corner that says Bering Strait. Strait is a small body of water that connects two larger bodies of water. On this map, describe the symbol in the map key that represents a river. What continent is found directly south of Europe? Which continents lie entirely in the southern hemisphere? Which ocean does the equator pass through? Which ocean is located between North America and Europe? What is that dotted that divides the globe in half called? Slide 6. Map scales come in different sizes. some small and some large. You will complete activities 1.2 and 1.3 to get more practice on how to read a map.